is one of the most unique things I have ever seen. It's a river in the Amazon jungle that is boiling. This unique river is so hot, you can fry an actual egg on top of it and make tea just from its water. It's so dangerous if you fall into it. Humans get burned and animals die. This boiling river is not a hot spring or a volcano. It's glacier water heated from the bottom of Mother Earth that makes a 7-kilometer river in Peru's jungles that will blow your mind, heal your body, and boil